Harvesting corn across vast fields spanning thousands of hectares has become faster and more efficient with the use of advanced machinery. Modern corn harvesters are designed to pick, shell, and sort the corn right in the field, drastically reducing labor and time. On these expansive fields, fleets of machines work in unison, creating a remarkable scene of large-scale agricultural productivity. By leveraging cutting-edge technology, farmers not only boost their yields but also streamline operations, maximizing both efficiency and profitability.